Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Ameriprise Financial account. So if you have an account in the Ameriprise Financial and want to link it to your online banking, this video is going to be about how you can log into your account. So if you have created an account in Ameriprise Financial online banking, you must know that it helps you to make very wise financial decisions because all the information are accessible to you anywhere, any time of the day. You can also find a financial advisor for you who's the nearest, and you can always make wonderful decisions by this. You can also help in paying funds. You can also help to transfer funds, paying your bills, or making any sort of transactions and getting in touch with your credit cards or your bank account. So if you want to learn how to make or log in an account in Ameriprise Financial, I am going to show you how exactly you can do that. For this, first of all, make sure that you've gone to your app store and then already downloaded the app on your device. After the app gets downloaded, simply open up the app and wait until the app completely loads. So here I'm just waiting for the front page to load. And as soon as the front page loads, I will be here asked to enter my user ID and my password. Now, after entering my user ID on this particular section and then entering my password on this section, I can tap on the login button, and that is how I will get logged into my Ameriprise Financial online banking account. So this is basically how it works. It's a very simple process, and I hope that this video has guided you through it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to How to Geek, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I highly appreciate it, and I'll see you around next time.